Okay, hello ulit sa ating mga grade 9 students. So, today, ang pag-aaralan natin ay nature of the roots of quadratic equation. So, yari na tayo mag-solve. Ngayon naman, i-define natin or alamin natin yung mga nature ng roots. So, meron kasing nature ang ating mga solution set. Ano? So, maarte. Maarte ang ating quadratic equation. Meron pa siyang mga nature. Okay? So, we will going to determine the nature of the roots of quadratic equation using their discriminant. Okay? So, ang ating discriminant is defined by small letter d. And the formula is b squared minus 4ac. So, saan natin nakuha yan? Alright, natatandaan nyo pa. Kung natatandaan nyo pa ang ating quadratic formula na x is equal to negative b plus and minus square root of b square minus 4ac all over 2a. Yung nasa loob ng ating radical sign, yun ang ating discriminant, si b square minus 4ac. Okay? So, meron tayong 4 situations that describe the nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. So, what are those? So, first one is if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then our roots are real and equal. So, real numbers ang ating solution set and they are equal. Ibig sabihin, isa lang siya, pero twice kasi equal. Okay? Number 2, if b square is greater than 1, when we say greater than 1 or greater than 0, ang ating discriminant ay positive numbers. Okay? Positive 1, positive 1 half, and so on. Okay? So, at kapag ito ay perfect square, ang ating roots ay rational but are not equal. So, rational siya, pero hindi siya equal. So, magkaiba. So, dalawa ang ating solution set. Kapag naman ang ating discriminant ay greater than pa rin sa 0, positive, pero hindi perfect square, then the roots are irrational and are not equal. Ibig sabihin ng irrational, okay, hindi siya rational, ganun. Okay? Irrational, okay, hindi pa siya equal. Ibig sabihin, pwedeng hindi, wala siyang perfect square, nakaloob pa rin siya sa radical sign. O kaya, decimal number, pero hindi naman natin kino-convert ng decimal number, okay? So, meron pa rin siyang radical sign, at dalawa pa rin siya, hindi kasi siya equal. At panghuli, b square is less than to 0. Ayan, negative numbers ang nasa loob ng radical sign ni quadratic equation, o kaya si discriminant ay negative number, therefore, wala tayong real solution. Okay? So, meron tayong imaginary, or magkakaroon tayo ng letter I doon. Okay? Or imaginary number. Okay? So, mas maiintindihan nyo yan, syempre, kapag diniscuss natin yung mga example. So, ito na yung first example. So, determine the nature of the roots of the equation x squared minus 8x plus 16 without solving, without solving for the roots. Okay? So, ipe-predict muna natin ano ba yung nature niya. Okay, using the discriminant, letter D yun, di ba? Is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So, kailangan lang naka-standard form at alam natin yung value ni A, B, at C. So, ano ba si A dito? Invisible 1. Si B ay negative 8. Si C ay positive 16. So, determine natin yung discriminant. B square is negative 8 square minus 4. Ano ang ating A? 1. Ano ang ating C? 16. Okay, what is negative 8 square? That is 64. Okay, negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Then negative 4 times negative 16 ay 0. Ay, 64, sorry. Okay? So, that is 64 minus 64 is 0. So, our discriminant here is equal to 0. Therefore, ang nature niya, kung babalikan natin yung 4 conditions dito, ito yung sa number 1, real and equal. Okay? Real. So, totoong number siya, real number, and equal. So, na-predict na natin yung nature ni roots. So, paano natin malalaman kung totoo? So, syempre, solve natin using or solving quadratic equation. So, try natin, ano? solve natin. So, number 1, we have x squared minus 8x plus 16 is equal to 0. Factoring na lang siya kasi perfect square naman siya, no? So, perfect square. So, that is square of binomial x minus 4 is square. Okay? Yan ang ating factor. Okay? Nakita nyo? Square root natin both side. So, square root ni 0 ay 0. So, mawawala na yung radical sign. Tsaka 2 dito. So, x minus 4 na lang. So, x is equal to 4. Okay? Real ba siya? Yes, it is real. 4 is under real numbers. Okay? How many roots? We only have 1. Kasi, these are equal. Okay? Real and equal. So, tama ang ating prediction ng nature ni roots. Okay? Real and equal. Kasi ang d natin ay 0. Okay? Okay, next example. We have 3x squared plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. Naka-standard na ba? Yes. So, determine natin si A, B, C. Value ni A ay 3. B ay 7. C ay 2. So, ito yung 3, 7, 2. Okay? Then, sulat natin si formula discriminant. B squared minus 4AC. Substitute lang natin yung mga given values. Ano yung B natin? 7. Ano yung A natin? 3. Ano yung C natin? 2. So, solve for the discriminant. Evaluate natin. 7 squared ay 49. So, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 ay 24. So, 49 minus 24 ay ilan? 25. Okay? So, 25 ang ating discriminant. Ibig sabihin, positive number. So, ang ating discriminant ay greater than 0. Kung titingnan natin sa ating rule or for situation, kapag daw greater than 0 or positive number, perfect square ba yung nakuha natin? 25. Yes, perfect square. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong ano yung nature ng roots natin? Okay, meron tayong rational but not equal. Rational siya, pero equal. Ibig sabihin, dalawa yung solution set natin. Okay, rational number and they are not equal. Okay, so let us check. Solve natin. Gusto nyo bang i-solve? Pwede natin ipakita. At tayo ng page. So, we have 3x squared plus 7x plus 2 plus 7x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? So, using quadratic formula na lang tayo para mas madali. Ano? So, A is 3, B is 7, and C is 2. Our quadratic formula is negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So, ating b ay 7 plus and minus square root of 7 squared minus 4. Ano yung ating a? 3. Ano ang ating c? 2. Okay? All over 2 times a na 3. Okay? That is negative 7 plus and minus. What is 7 squared? 49. 4 times 3 times 2 ay 24. Okay? All over 2 times 3 ay 6. So, angat-angat natin. So, negative 7 plus and minus. That is 49 minus 24. 25. Yan ang ating nakuha discriminant, right? So, 7 plus or minus square root 25 over 6. So, that is negative 7 plus and minus square root ni 25 ay 5 over 6. So, paghiwalay natin si positive tsaka negative. So, first one, positive muna. So, plus 5 over 6. And second one is negative 7 minus 5 over 6. Negative 7 plus 5 ay negative 2. Divided by 6, we have negative 1/3. Okay, so we have x of 1. Okay, x sub 2 natin, negative 7 minus 5 ay negative 12 divided 6 is negative 2. So, both are rational numbers and not equal. So, hindi sila equal ba? Equal ba si 1/3 tsaka si 2? Or negative 1/3 tsaka negative 2? Hindi, di ba? Okay, so na-predict natin. So, that is right. Okay? Okay, next, number 3. So, this time, hindi na natin i-check kasi napapatunayan naman natin na tama yung situations natin, no? Under considerations or under situations discriminant. Okay? So, number 3 natin, we have 2 minus 4x minus x squared is equal to 0. Hindi pa siya naka-standard form, so gagawin natin siyang standard. So, unahin natin yung quadratic term, negative x squared minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? So, determine natin yung value ni A, B, tsaka C. Ano si A? That is negative 1, ito. B is negative 4, and C is 2. Okay? Discriminant. B square minus 4AC. So, what is B? Negative 4 square minus 4. What is A? Negative 1, right? And C is 2. So, our discriminant, evaluate natin. Negative 4 raised squared ay positive 16. The negative times negative ay positive. 4 times 1 ay 4. Then 4 times 2 ay 8. So, 16 plus 8 is 24. Okay? So, our discriminant is positive. Therefore, we have rational but not equal. But not equal. So, check pa ba natin? Okay. Wag na, no? Wag na. Perfect square ba siya? Perfect square. Yung 24. So, hindi siya perfect square. Therefore, irrational yan. Irrational and not equal. Ibig sabihin, merong tayo makukuha ang sagot na naka square root pa. Okay? Or merong radical sign. So, sige, check na natin para makita nyo. Okay? So, check natin. So, ano yung original equation natin? Okay, negative x squared minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay? So, ang ating A ay negative 1, B ay negative 4, C ay positive 2. Okay, using quadratic formula, negative B plus and minus square root of B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. So, ang ating B ay negative 4 plus and minus negative 4 square minus 4. Ang A natin ay negative 1 times 2. Okay, all over 2 times negative 1. So, negative times negative is positive 4 plus and minus negative 4 times negative 4 ay 16. Negative times negative ay positive. So, 4 times 1 ay 4. 4 times 2 ay 8. All over negative 2. Okay? So, let us continue. 4 plus and minus 16 plus 8 ay 24 over 2. So, meron perfect square si 24? Wala. Pero, si 24, may factor siya na may perfect square. 4 times 6. Diba? 4 times 6 na negative 2. Okay? So, kapag ganyan, si 24, may factor siya na may perfect square. Pwede natin siyang paghiwalayan or factor para mailabas natin yung square root ni 4. So, 4 plus and minus square root ni 4 ay 2. Then, iwan natin si 6 sa loob. Negative 2. Okay? So, pwede na natin paghiwalayan ang ating mga x. So, x sub 1 is 4 plus 2 square root of 6 over negative 2. At isang x sub 2 is 4 minus 2 square root of 6 over negative 2. So, x of 1 ay 4 divided by negative 2. Pwede natin yung paghiwalayin. Okay. Then, negative 2 square root of 6 over negative 2. Okay. So, hindi siya kasya. Burahin muna natin to para mapagkasya natin. So, ang ating x sub 1 ay 4 divided by negative 2 is negative 2. Negative divided by negative ay positive. 2 divided by 2 ay 1. Kaya square root of 6 na lang. Okay, so this is our x sub 1. Irrational, di ba? Irrational. Tingnan naman natin yung x sub 2. Okay, so dito na lang x sub 2 is equal to 4 minus naman 2 square root of 6 divided by negative 2. So, paghiwalayin natin. So, 4 divided by negative 2 ay negative 2. Negative divided by negative ay positive. 2 divided by 2 ay 1. Square root of 6. Now, bakit parehas? Parehas ba? Nagkamali tayo dito sa plus. Ito ay minus. So, this is plus. This is minus. Kaya, this is negative. Ayun, na-correct na natin. Pares kasi nakuha natin kanina. So, this time, hindi na. So, they are irrational and they are not equal. Okay? Okay, let us have example number 4. We have 6x squared plus 2x is equal to negative 3. So, hindi pa siya naka-standard. Kaya gawin natin standard. So, 6x squared plus 2x si negative 3. Pwede nating ilipat, magiging positive 3 na yung haircut na si Sir, is equal to 0. So, ang A natin ay 6, ito. Ang B natin ay 2, ito. At ang C natin ay 3, ito. Okay? So, ating discriminant ay B square minus 4AC. Ano ating B? That is 2 square minus 4 times 6 times 3. Okay, so that is 4. 4 times 6 ay 24. 24 times 3 ay 92. Tama ba ako? So, 24 times 3. Oh, mali ako. 72. Tanga si Sir. 72. Ayan. So, burahin na natin to para kung elementary. Nag-long method pa. So, 4 minus 72 ay what? Negative 68. So, our discriminant is negative. Therefore, no real solution. Okay? Our solution set ay imaginary. Pakita ba natin? Okay, pakita natin para masyahan kayo. Sige. Pakita natin na ang makukuha natin solution set dito ay merong I. Okay? So, ang given equation ay 6x squared plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. So, A is 6, B is 2, C is 3. Ating quadratic formula, negative B plus n minus square root of square minus 4AC all over 2A. So, ang ating B ay 2 plus n minus square root of 2 square minus 4 times 6 times 3. Okay, all over 2. Ang A natin ay 6. This is negative 2 plus n minus 2 square ay 4 minus 24 times 3 na 72. Okay, over 12. Okay, so negative 2 plus n minus negative 68 all over 12. Negative 68. So, that becomes negative 2 plus n minus. Ano yung factor ni negative 68? Pwedeng negative 1 times 4 times 17. Okay? All over 12. So, habaan natin. Let us continue. Negative 2 plus n minus. Square root ni negative 4, ay ni negative 1 ay I. Diba? Square root ni 4 ay 2. So, may iwan sa loob si 17 or over 12. Okay? So, pwede natin yung paghiwalayin. Ating x sub 1 ay negative 2 plus 2i square root of 17 over 12. So, pag sinolve natin yan, so, ang ating x sub 1 ay 2 divided by 12 ay 6. So, magiging denominator natin ay 6. Okay, so that is 1 plus negative 1 plus I square root of 17. Okay, isa naman, x sub 2 is equal to negative 2 minus 2i square root of 17 over 12. So that is negative 1 minus I square root of 17 all over 6. Okay? So, meron tayong imaginary solution set. Okay? So, there you have it. Check na natin. So, tama na kapag negative ang ating discriminant, no real solution. Okay, let us have example number 5. Find all the values of a such that ax squared plus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0 has one real root. Okay, pasensya na kayo sa sulat ko. Medyo pangit. Okay. So, ang condition niya, kailangan daw yung value, determine natin yung value ni a na dapat ang solution set ng ating quadratic equation ay isa lang. Okay, one real root. Okay, one but twice. Okay, real number and only one root. Okay, so anong condition yun? Okay, situation number 1. Kapag ang ating discriminant ay equal sa 0. Therefore, ang ating discriminant na b square minus 4ac ay kailangan na equal sa 0. Okay, so determine natin si a, b, and c from the formula ax squared plus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0. So, ano yung si a is still a, b is positive 10, and c is 1. Substitute natin dito. Okay, so b is 10 square minus 4 times a pa rin times c na 1. Kailangan equal siya sa 0. Okay, what is 10 square? Is 100 minus 4 times 1 ay 4 times a, 4a is equal to 0. So, negative 4a is equal to, lipat natin sa kabila si 100, magiging negative. So, that is negative 4a is equal to negative 100. Divide both side by negative 4. Okay, cancel. That becomes 1. So, negative 100 over negative 4 ay positive 25. So, kailangan daw si a ay 25 para yung quadratic equation natin na ax squared plus 10x plus 1 is equal to 0 ay meron lang isang real root. Okay? So, pag chinek natin yan, isa lang yung real root niya. Maniwala kayo sa akin. Okay? Chinek ko yung answer key eh. Okay? Okay, next. So, find all the values of a such that ax squared plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0 has two real roots. So, hindi naman sinabi or specify na kailangan perfect square or hindi perfect square. Kailangan rational or irrational. So, meron lang naman tayong isang condition dyan na kailangan ng ating b square minus 4ac or discriminant is greater than 0. Kailangan mas malaki sa 0. So, ano ang ating value ni a? A pa rin. Ang b natin ay 3. At ang c natin ay 5. Okay? So, substitute natin. Ano ang ating b? Is 3 square minus 4. Ang a natin ay a pa rin. Ang c ay 5. Is greater than 0. Okay? Kailangan greater than 0. So, 3 square ay 9. Minus 4 times 5 ay 20. A is greater than 0. Okay? 9 yun, ha? So, ilipat natin si 9 sa kabila. May iwan si negative 20A is greater than negative 9. Divide both side by negative 20. Okay. So, our A, since negative yan, babaliktarin natin yung inequality sign. Greater than magiging less than positive 9 over 20. Okay? Kung gusto nyo i-check, pwede nyo namang i-check. So, ang makukuha pa rin natin dyan ay 2 real roots. So, kailangan ng A ay less than 9 over 20. Okay? So, hindi pwedeng 1/2. Hindi po pwedeng positive 1. Hindi po pwedeng positive 2. Kailangan less than 1/2, pwedeng 0, pwedeng negative numbers. Yung value ni A. Basta si A ay less than positive 9 over 20. Okay? Okay, for our last question. So, number 7. 7 yan. Okay, find all the values of A such that ax squared plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0 has two imaginary roots. So, this time naman, no real roots. Okay, alam naman natin yung condition ni discriminant na kapag si b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, no real roots siya. So, yun lang isa-satisfy natin condition. Okay, so determine value of A pa rin. Ayun. So, B is 3. Ayun. And C is negative 6. Ayun. Okay, so substitute natin. So, 3 square, 4. Ano yung ating A? A pa rin. Ang ating C, negative 6. Kailangan less than 0. So, 3 square ay 9 minus negative 4 times negative 6 ay positive 24. A is less than 0. Okay? So, 24A is less than, lipat natin si 9, naging negative. Okay? So, A now, kapag dinivide natin sa 24 to, so A now is, since negative yon, is greater than negative 9 over 24. So, A should be greater than negative 9 over 24. Or, pwede natin simplify in 3 over 8. Okay? So, A should be greater than negative 3 over 8. Okay? So, that's ends our topic for nature of the roots of the quadratic equation. So, subscribe lang kayo dito sa ating channel for more videos. So, math ba?